Hey guys, Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and we're going to be talking about how to get that spa, zen feel in your bathroom spaces, as well as share a quick update of where we are on our home build, a little footage of how that's going. So stay tuned. Bathroom spaces are kind of an interesting one because I don't know if it's somewhere you typically think of like decorating, because you just have your toilet and counter and tub, but there are some little things you can add to give it a really nice, relaxing feel, especially more in like the primary bathroom, more than like your smaller bathrooms maybe, but a lot of these will work in any bathroom. So I did a collaboration recently with Walmart sharing some favorites for that little bathroom refresh feel, and these are some of those. So I'm going to show you the product and then also like how I used it. First thing is towels. I like to have good towels, and they have in their new Gap Home collection, which I really like. They have a good set of towels that is a 6-piece. It's got good reviews, 4.7 stars out of nearly 200 reviews. And I really like these because of the texture that they have. And then of course you get the hand towels, washcloths, and bath towels all together in that set. It comes in a variety of color options, like there's some neutral gray tones and blues and even black, I think, but I just like the white because it feels more like, you know, if you go to a day spa or something, it's usually the fresh white towels, or a hotel, it's kind of like a little more that clean linen feel. So definitely love the white towels. And then these are cute too because they do have a little detail in at the lower part, so it's not just a plain white towel, it has the texture and then the kind of like little ribbed part at the bottom as well. Definitely, I love those and have those in our bathroom. The next thing is these really cute open weave rattan round baskets. I got one of these to use as like a laundry hamper because it's pretty and it's a good size, like they're really large. They also have, I think, a smaller, I think you can get the 2-pack on this page. There's a smaller, but I just got the one that's an individual one that is the big size. I used it to put the towels in, so you know you could use it for that to hold clean linens or use it for laundry. A really good bath organizer too is this hyacinth one. It's like, or seagrass or whatever. Let me see what they call it. Hyacinth. It's actually made to go on the back of your toilet, like the size is perfect. I've used mine out on the counter too because it has like the little divider, so it's great to just kind of separate your hairspray and your face wash, your beauty products, that kind of stuff that you want to have easy and within easy reach, but then this gives it an organized feel and makes it look really cute because of that texture and the rattan. It's under $20, so I really love those, and they are great too. You know, I have used it on the back of the toilet as it is intended as well because it does fit great there and still add a little something to the bathroom. So that's a really good piece and is in stock right now. I think they were sold out for a while, but I just saw it's back. And by the way, about stock, that's kind of tricky. I know that it's frustrating when things are sold out. It's right now the market is a disaster with the supply chains. It still is. I've heard that it's going to go into 2023 before we see more like regular, things being regularly in stock. So I apologize. I know sometimes things are sold out. When we film the video, I check them and they are in stock then. And then it still takes, we have to have the editor cut the video down and then add like in the B-roll footage and some stuff, and it just takes a few days. And so sometimes even in that 2 or 3 day turnaround, things have sold out, and I'm sorry. I really am. I do my best, and I do give the restock updates in our Instagram stories for stuff like my patio chairs from Walmart that are selling out constantly, but they do restock them every couple weeks. So it's interesting because it's like they get smaller batches or something, or people are just buying more. I don't know. Everything just sells out a lot quicker than it used to. So I apologize. I do what I can. Okay, moving right along. The candle, I also added a candle in this space just to kind of have like, and I do use it for the, like if I'm taking a bath or something, you want a little ambiance. And they have, this one is a good one, the sheer jasmine. It's kind of like lighter. I like a little bit more like natural smells that are more, something you could find in nature, like vanilla or jasmine, or what's the other one? They have a couple good ones in this collection at Walmart. And I liked just how simple it was. It's like in a big jar. The other thing that I really like adding into bathrooms, especially like I have a little bit of wood accent in there, but it's more of a gray wash. And so I brought in a little bit of the warmer woods to just kind of make it feel cozy and homey. You make your bathroom feel homey. I don't know, maybe that's weird. That bathtub tray is an example of this. I love that. It's actually so useful too because freestanding tubs are amazing. They're not, in some ways they're a little bit less practical. I love them because obviously they give a really clean design, and then you can add a cute bath tray and have what you need right there. So to me, the function's not an issue, but I know like some people have been like, well, I like to have shelves or something. In our new house, we actually are doing, I did some built-in shelves right next to the tub, which will be really fun. But yeah, it is, I mean, it's definitely something you have to kind of account for with the freestanding tub, that it's not gonna have like a built-in ledge. Of course, if you remember the original video from the bathroom, one of my whole issues with this bathroom as it was originally was that there was a built-in shelf that was like a bench tiled over, and I just pictured somebody's naked bum sitting there, and it grossed me out. That being said, you don't have that issue as much with a freestanding tub. It feels a little bit cleaner, a little more modern and simple. But then you can add something like a little bath tray like this, just to have your soap and shampoo or little shower brush, whatever. And I just love the way it looks. So cute. So I will link all of these, of course, for you in description. And I think pretty much everything is from Walmart. There was, I think, one more I was going to add in here that isn't, but the bath accessories as well are like kind of like a bamboo wood. Let me see if they're bamboo. Yeah, that 5-piece bamboo bath set. That one has the soap dispenser, the tray, the toothbrush holder, a little lidded jar, and then like also even a waste basket. Okay, so those are all a nice warmer bamboo. They're kind of like a cinnamon tone, I would say. So they're a little bit warmer even than the like bath tray, but I thought that those still complemented each other well. You'll see kind of the pictures that I'm putting up there. The Turkish towels are such a cute accent too for any bathroom. They just give that extra, I don't know, gives it kind of a boutique feel. So sometimes I use those even when I also have the plain white. I'll just have like one or two that are more like the accent towels. Right now, so these do come in black, gray, navy. I think they just have the navy in stock right now, but but dang, these are cute. The navy one, even really, really pretty. They have the stripe and then that little tassel edge. They add a lot, especially when you're styling a bathroom, like for a photo shoot or something, which I know some of you guys do that as well, or for company, whatever, just like where you want it to look extra cute. The Turkish towel is such a fun accent. It almost looks like a throw, but then it's a towel. So another thing that I really like for bathrooms is just a little pop of greenery, like just a little something, a little plant. I mean, and a lot of people will have real plants. If you have some natural light in your bathroom, and sometimes that it's a little more humid in there sometimes, so you could have maybe a real plant or a fake one that looks real is also good. This little one is one of my favorites. It's a 4-foot, so I just tucked it in the corner. I actually just set it on top of a little paint can that I had in the corner to give it some height. But it's a really cute size for a bathroom, because it's not gonna like overpower things. And it's just got a really organic, fun feel. And you can see it has 22 reviews and they're all 5-star. So I thought that's pretty amazing. I would give it 5 stars. So also really funny is in the description, it says that it has 177 leaves. I just noticed that now, and that's kind of amazing because first of all, who's counting and why do we care? I mean, I think it'd be just as good with 176 or maybe even 120. I think you could maybe lose even 50. No, maybe it's the perfect amount and I'm just analyzing it too much, but it's actually it's not even in the description, it's in the title. I like it, despite the weirdness about its title. It's just kind of different, and then it has like the multiple stems. So a really cute look, and it's right now on sale. It was normally $97. It's actually on sale for under $60. So hopefully when you guys are seeing this, it is still on sale. If you have Walmart Plus, it has the free shipping, so that's nice. And you get 177 leaves, so I would not pass that one up. I even linked the bath brush, the exfoliating shower brush with the wooden handle. I love those, I mean, because it's useful for one thing, and then two, it's just got it fits the look. So I love the 2-part thing when it's functional and it's pretty. To me, these kinds of the dry brush, it's like the best. To me, they're better than the loofahs, and the loofahs aren't really cute looking. Is that what they're called? I think that's what they're called, you get them at the dollar store. Yeah, so I really like these. And then also you can get your back better. Oh, the dry brush too is really good for your lymph system and cellulite. I discovered that recently. The one that is like the round one, and you can just put your hand on it. You just do circles on your cellulite. But they're actually really great. So the shower bench is out of stock, but I'm gonna link it because I think it will be back. It is really pretty. That's the one that we have a large shower. Once we took out the linen closet that used to be there, and we expanded the shower, and so there was room for a bench, and I really wanted to bring in something instead of just building in a tile one. One, this is more cost friendly to bring in a wood one, and then two, it just really gives that element of warmth. So this teak bench is really similar in color to the set with the wastebasket. That set is really close to the teak wood. So those tie in well if you're kind of wanting to have a common wood tone. Those are really good together. The bench does come in multiple lengths, either a 24-inch wide, 30-inch wide, or a 36 wide. I think I have the 30, either the 30-inch or the 36. It's really great. And I love that it has a shelf on the bottom so you have a little more storage to put shampoo or whatever bath products in there. Definitely a good one if you're looking to add, you know, a bench in your shower. There's one more towel I'm going to link because this one is in stock, and it's a cute gray stripe one. This one is, again, kind of a Turkish towel style, a little bit different, but because it's more of a true white with the gray stripe. Just another cute one. You can kind of see it draped over the side of the tub, and it adds a little, it just adds a little something for sure to the bathroom. So, and this is a 65-inch one by 36, so it's a good size here. I love like when it's more of a bath sheet than bath towels even. And then just another fun little set of trays that I am linking that I haven't used in the bathroom, but I have these they're in my shopping cart. I'm thinking of getting these because trays are so great, I think, for organizing your bathroom countertops, just to kind of have somewhere for it to go, like as a home. And these have the mango wood with that leather, probably a faux leather handle, I'm guessing. It says brown leather handles, maybe it's real leather. I just really thought those were fun. Also cute for like a coffee table, you kind of use them anywhere, but just a really fun accent. So there is most of my bathroom stuff. I will include links for the lights. I love my bathroom sconces, and I used a really huge oversized mirror in that bathroom, which I adore, from Ballard. Oh, and there's some stems on the counter in that leather wrapped vase that I also love. They're like a faux rosemary. I could only find a 24 pack of those stems. Kind of odd because it's so bulk. It's like the Costco version of the stems, but honestly, I love them. They're really cute and you can use them all throughout your house. So I will link that. It's actually, I mean, it seems kind of expensive. I think it's like $100, but for 24 stems, that's actually pretty good. Alrighty, that pretty well covers that bathroom. And here's a little look at where we are, like I was saying, with our build. We have the hole in the ground. We're getting the footings poured any day now. So that's really gonna get things moving. And what I'm so excited for is the framing process, because it just goes from, it feels like it goes from nothing to something. And you can see just the shape of the house, which I can't wait to show you. I know this is not the best news. I can't remember if I've told you this, but I'm not gonna reveal the full plans until later because I've had way too many of my designs ripped off over the years. And so I really want to see my vision through and be able to show you, you know, here's why I did this and here's how I did that before somebody can copy. All is well, and we're pressing forward with the build, so I can't believe how slow it's been. But I'm also being optimistic because now we see the progress, and it's actually like kind of warp speed on getting all the, like I've been designing all the spaces. I'm like so excited to show you guys. I can't wait. This is, when I do the flip homes, we definitely have budget really key in mind. And then I still have a budget for our home build, but because we've lived here, we will end up living in this house that was originally going to be a flip that we moved into. We planned on being here for like a year and a half. We will end up being here probably like 2 or 2.5 years, which I've loved it here because we kind of live in this vacation city that we would just come to visit on occasion, and now we get to live here year round, so we have better, warmer weather, and I love being out in the sun and just having the activities. So it's been amazing, and it's also allowed us to save up more money. So that's been really good because it's just a lot smaller house, a lot less, we've just had a lot less expenses with a smaller house, and that's a major upside because we're gonna do some really cool stuff in the new house that I didn't even know if we'd be able to pull off. So it will be a really exciting journey, and we're really thrilled. But it's a lot to be patient for. So we'd love to have you guys along for that journey too. If you want to subscribe and hit that bell, you get notified of future videos. And then, of course, you can find me over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail. As always, I like to mention that if you haven't heard it a million times already, but you never know when someone's first video here. Also over on designlovesdetail.com, lots of resources there for, really you can search on that homepage for anything you're looking for. The top left, there's a magnifying glass, and just type in anything you're after. And yes, thanks for being here, and I'll see you guys next time.